So the first 3 ingredient dessert we are making are these nut butter cookies. You're going to need an egg. I haven't tried this with a flax egg, so I'm not sure if that will work. Then I'm adding in a little bit of coconut sugar and stirring that up until it gets nice and smooth. So you want all of the sugar and the egg to combine completely. And this is good because it adds a little bit of protein to these cookies as well. And then I'm adding in some nut butter. You can use any kind of nut or seed butter. So if you're nut free, feel free to use a sunflower seed butter or a pumpkin seed butter to easily make this recipe nut free. So then all you need to do is stir that together until it all combines and it is nice and smooth. And it does thicken up quite a bit once everything is combined. Then I laid a cookie sheet with parchment paper, or just make sure you grease your cookie sheet or use a silicone mat. And then I'm using a cookie scoop to scoop out the cookies into even shapes. So this whole batch made about 6 cookies for me. You can definitely make them smaller or bigger if you like. Just make sure you adjust the baking time, which will be in the description box below, but it's just 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you go. Then we are making some cinnamon cashews. These are great because they have a touch of sweetness, but they're loaded with healthy fats, which makes them satisfying. So on a pan on medium heat, I just took a little bit of maple syrup and cinnamon and stirred that together until the maple syrup kind of started to bubble and brown a bit. Once it does, go ahead and add in your cashews, but you can also do this with like pecans or almonds or anything like that. So just stir that together, and then once they are all coated, all you need to do is put them onto either like a plate or something with parchment paper so that they can cool down and the sugar kind of hardens around them. I also like to top mine with a little bit of flaked salt, but that's kind of like a bonus ingredient, but I love the combo of sweet and salty. But honestly, these are so lightly sweet, they make the perfect little treat, plus they are loaded with healthy fats. And then we have the simple berries and chocolate combo, but I really wanted to share it because you don't underestimate the power of just some fresh berries and some sugar-free chocolate chips. You got the chocolate, you got the sweetness from the blueberries, and you can kind of just snack on this after dinner if you're doing something like Netflix and chilling or like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed these 3 ingredient healthy desserts. I will leave my last 3 ingredient dessert recipe on the screen here so that you can check it out after this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.